last lead. Let's get it. Beautiful. All right, good morning, good morning. On this beautiful Wednesday, we're gonna get this tulip poplar down. That is a monster and just creating a nuisance for this parking lot. We are gonna have to rope quite a bit out of it, bring it down to size, and then we'll pull the stub over into a safe location and get everything cut up and hauled out. We got quite a bit of work out here today. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Wednesday. Right next to 95. Awesome stuff. Hope everybody's having a great day.